Welcome to part 4 of this 4-part series on coping tubing in Fusion 360. This next cope is something interesting, something that I've used a few times and I thought it would be good to show you how to do. So we'll start off, create another sketch. Okay, we have our bodies created. So what I want to do is I want this tube to pass through this tube. So we need to cope this tube, enabling this tube to go through it. So what we're going to do, just like we did before, we'll come up to split face in the modified toolbar, select the inner and outer faces of the tube we want to cope, and we'll select the outer face of the tube that we want to pass through our tube. We'll hit OK, and we can come over here into our bodies, and we can just hide our tube that's going through. And now you can see we've got 4 individual faces that we need to extrude. So we'll go up to modify, and we'll do a press pull. We'll select the inner and outer faces of our cope, and we'll do a negative extrude of our wall thickness, so minus 0.12. We'll hit enter. Could turn our body 2 back on, and now you can see this tube passes through this other tube and it has a cope around it. Alright, that one was super simple. Thank you for watching. I'm glad I hope you enjoyed this 4-part series. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, just leave them down below in the comment section. And thank you for watching.